Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here. B1's daughter, or one of the boss's daughters, has a like B1, like daughter, loves the Subarus. Has a big sub in the back, decent sized sub, and I'm not really big on subs and all the rest of it. I like me music and I like me doof doof. But the other day she said that it was playing up and it wasn't working properly and that, so I pulled the fuses out, and one of the fuses was a little bit sort of welded itself, but it wasn't that bad. It was good, but it wasn't that bad. Well, we've rolled it over on its side. Maybe it's got a bad earth, because we've got a negative here that's got some heat on that plastic there. So I've undone the 4 screws, and I've turned it over, and as you can see, we've had a bit of heat there. Now, she could have a car fire, but if that was to go into fault, those fuses should actually pop first. Unsure why this went, but who knows, maybe they got the wires crossed. So we're unsure, but she's just gone down the road to get a small pair of pliers, because I'm not with my toolbox, and my toolbox is the best route. I don't know. Much about them, but yeah. So we'll get this loose fitting organised with a pair of pliers, and hopefully she can get a bit of a doof doof out of it. Get a little doof doof and a boof boof. Sony 80 by 1200, 1800 watt. So but anyway, we'll see what happens when she comes back. Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here again. As you can hear, that one does actually work, and it was just a case of a bad earth. We fixed up that bolt, and the customer's happy. Thanks, Kira.